Today, I am going to show you how to optimize Intel CPU for gaming. So like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. For that, what is Intel Turbo Boost? Intel Turbo Boost technology optimizes CPU performance by dynamically adjusting clock speeds, providing a balance between power efficiency and processing power. While Turbo Boost shares some similarities with overclocking, it's a more controlled and automatic process designed to optimize performance without compromising safety or stability. Here I am using a 4th-gen Intel Core i5 CPU to show you guys that after enabling the Turbo Boost, how the CPU speed will increase and it will also improve your FPS while gaming. First, we want to check that the processor supports Intel Turbo Boost technology. To check your processor supports Intel Turbo Boost, open a web browser on your PC. Then you need to search for your processor name.
Humans, what have you learned?
To find your processor name, go to the Windows search and search for About Your PC and open it up. Then you can see your processor name and copy that name. Paste it into your web browser and hit enter to search. You can find that. The first result is your CPU specification page by Intel. If your processor supports Intel Turbo Boost, you need to download a software named Quick CPU. Download link in the description. Sometimes ads may pop up, simply close the ad. After downloading, open File Explorer and extract the Quick CPU RAR file you downloaded. Then you need to open the Quick CPU Setup folder and install the Quick CPU application into your computer. Click on Next. Accept the license terms and agreement. Click on Next. Click on Install. The Quick CPU application will start to install on your PC. Open the Quick CPU app. It will take some time to open. When you reach the home screen of the app in the top left corner, you can see the max performance option. Click on that. Click on Apply. It will automatically set all the CPU performance, turbo boost, and frequency scaling to 100%.
Have you learned?
By doing that, it will increases your CPU clock speed and CPU performance. Click on Apply before exiting the app. Here you go, the Intel Turbo Boost technology is enabled on your PC. Thanks for watching.